Welcome back to the Investors Cube channel. Before viewing the video, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. In this video we will talk you through our thoughts on the Holo project, HOT. We will provide you with some key insights when you want to start investing in this project. Before we get into the video, allow us to mention that nothing mentioned in this video is financial advice, and we are not financial advisors. We would recommend you ensure that you conduct a due diligence process before making any decision that may affect your financial portfolio. If you are looking forward to seeking external advice, head out to your trusted financial advisor, who has a clear idea of your financial situation. Having said that, let us get into this video. In this video, we'll speak about Holocoins and why you should buy at least 100,000 of them. As usual, we'll begin with a high-level overview. Arthur Brock and Eric Harris Braun created Holo in 2017 with offices in Gibraltar. Holo was built with the purpose of allowing apps to be hosted in a peer-to-peer environment. Holo raised about $20.4 million in two investment rounds, the most recent of which occurred in April 2018. Cardinal Capital is also a contributor to the initiative. Before we go any further, it's important to grasp what Holo is. Holo is a distributed application peer-to-peer platform based on a cloud storage infrastructure. Holo is a peer-to-peer app market in which network participants can use their processing resources to host decentralized programs spread over the network and get compensated in exchange. Holochain is a platform that acts as a connection channel between people and the internet via the Holo system. Holochain applications are decentralized programs, however, instead of being referred to as dApps, they are referred to as HAPS. Holo intends to provide a more efficient and cost-effective framework for decentralized application developers, reaching finality without the usage of consensus techniques that are traditionally used by blockchains. Holo wants to create a new internet with the goal of creating a scalable ecosystem where information may be saved, exchanged, and disseminated without the need for middlemen or centralized control. Holo aims to change the way we use the internet by putting it in the hands of individuals rather than corporations, thanks to a unique hashing method that reduces the cost of running and administering the system. Do you want to know how Holo works? The Holo and Holochain ecosystems employ a customized hashing method instead of regular blockchain technology to verify transactions and generate new blocks, while safeguarding the network. The DHT is agent-centric, which implies that it uses a single node to validate transactions individually. After an individual node has verified the data, it is transmitted to other nodes in the system, who double-check the verification information. The capacity of the network to scale is reflected in the expanding number of nodes and processing power, which sometimes causes a difficulty in traditional protocols for transparency and legitimacy. DHT, on the other hand, uses sharding to distribute data and scale network traffic to ensure that hosted programs run properly. Because Holochain employs hashing rather than standard blockchain technology to verify transactions, create new blocks, and protect the network does not require staking or mine to validate transactions, produce new blocks, or secure the network. Holo has a lot of good stuff in it, but what makes it so special that you need to obtain 100,000 coins to play it? The Holochain platform is one of a kind. It is a post-blockchain network that does not use traditional blockchain technology and instead employs a hashing algorithm. Holo uses classic distributed ledger technology to allow users to host and run numerous programs on the network, known as HAPS. As a result, there is no need for staking or mining to operate and run the nodes in Holo. Holo is unique. Not just because it employs the DHT hashing technique, but also because of its architecture, which establishes a peer-to-peer market in which users can be reimbursed for hosting applications developed by other users and distributed on the Holochain app. When it comes to market value, Holo gains inherent worth from its technological capacity, technology use case, and level of adoption. A number of specific elements, including the overall amount of HOT tokens, have an impact on Holo. Because of the limiting quantity, HOT tokens can operate as an anti-inflationary mechanism, making them a viable long-term investment. Upgrades, updates, and other news and events have an impact on the Holo value. What gives Holo further value? That is its utility and technical capability in establishing a peer-to-peer market for app hosting. If you want to invest in Holo coins, you'll also want to know how safe the network is. The distributed hash table is used to protect the Holo network, ensuring that an individual node can verify transactions and participate in block generation before having this data verified by the rest of the network's nodes. Holo sends transaction data to nodes that are responsible for double-checking the data. Initially, neighbor nodes ensure that the data is valid and transparent once individual nodes have confirmed it. As a result, the network gains a layer of protection while keeping transparency. DHT is at the heart of Holochain's mechanism, enabling a post-blockchain network that can scale and protect the platform without relying on protocols like proof of work and proof of stake. Even if a single node behaves maliciously and allows a false transaction, the other nodes will detect when they double-check the data. The Holo network is secured in this manner. Should I invest in Holo, HOT? If you're still undecided about whether or not to invest in Holo coins, I'll tell you 3 reasons why you should have at least 100,000 Holo coins. However, before you invest, do your own homework. This is not a financial recommendation. Blockchains and cryptocurrency are rarely surprising, but every now and then, a new kid on the block throws a wrench in the gears. Holo is one such potential cryptocurrency. So let's have a look at them one by one. Holochain is a peer-to-peer network that is environmentally conscious. It is evident that the global community is growing more aware of the environmental effects of our energy consumption. In the crypto world, being an ecologically friendly option is undoubtedly advantageous. Bitcoin and other traditional proof-of-work blockchains use a lot of energy. Environmentally conscious investors are correct to raise their voices when blockchain networks begin to consume more energy than tiny countries. On most blockchains, validation is agent-centric. An army of miners or stacker holders maintains a global ledger up to date. These nodes validate transactions quickly and reliably, ensuring that the ledger is always up to date. The Holochain, on the other hand, has grown in popularity due to its distributed hash table validation approach. As a result, the Holochain network has earned the moniker agent-centric network. Because the project is still in its early stages of development and there are major difficulties to overcome, the Holochain beta phase has yet to begin. As a result, by investing in HOT, investors are taking a risk. The mainnet of the Holochain network, which houses the network's native cryptocurrency, has yet to be launched. Anyone can download the application and become a Holochain host once the beta is out, earning Holofuel. Holo will be turned to Holofuel in the process after the beta is launched. The Holofuel token will be used to power the network. So, that is our analysis about the interesting project of Holochain. Thank you for stopping by to watch. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Make sure the bell notification is turned on so you don't miss any new information from us. Also, don't forget to share your investing opinions. In our next one, we'll see you all again.